Hello, I'm from United Kingdom.
Wow, it's a nice country.
Nice country.
Can I visit your country?
Yeah, of course you can visit it.
It's for free?
You only need a visa.
Antonio.
Antonio, well, it's a nice name. And you? Andrea, me Roberto. Italiano.
Italiano, parlo un po' italiano.
Yeah, Italiano pango. Filipino. You can see this one in the vlog. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, nanata diri sa El Nido. Patulong na ta mag-island hopping. Ano yung binayaran mo?
Environmental fee po at saka lagoon fee.
Ang binayaran dito is yung environmental fee 200 at saka lagoon fee 200. So 400 lang. Meron bang limit ma'am sa isang sasakyan? May limit?
Opo, per capacity pass.
Ilan?
Depende po sa capacity.
Depende sa guys, ito po yung mga turista dito sa El Nido, Palawan. Ayan, kadalasan po dito mga Pilipino. Ayan, mga Pilipino. Ayan din, Pilipino. Hi, ma'am. Sir, taga saan ka, sir?
Legazpi.
Legazpi, ikaw, ma'am. Magkasama kayo. Ikaw, sir, taga saan ka, sir?
Dito ko, sir.
Taga diri ka, sir?
Dito ko.
Diri rin, nasad po. Ito, taga saan ka, ma'am?
Hello, I'm from United Kingdom.
Wow, it's a nice country.
Nice country.
Can I visit your country?
Yeah, of course you can visit it.
It's for free?
You only need a visa.
Taga saan kayo, ma'am? Cagayan. Ikaw dong, taga saan ka dong? Taga saan ka? Ha? Marinduque, tapos sa'yo, diretso. Sa'yo. Shout out your family. Oh,
Shoutout kay Rara.
Rara, kapatid mo ba yun? Anak mo, sir? Enjoy, ha? Wow, ang ganda pala dito. Maganda dito, kaso lang ang layo ng biyahe. 6 hours. Dapat sana, meron ng ba? Oh.
Wala pa ito, Porto pa lang doon ang talagang maganda sa scene yung mga makikita natin.
From Bohol. Ha?
Unang namin yung
Maganda doon sa Bohol. Marami din doon mga doon, mga magandang tanawin. May bago tayong bagong coming. Bagong dating si sir. Hi sir. Hello, how are you? Welcome. Ayun. Lagi ka sa sa mga mag-swimming dyan, bilhin na kayo. Magkano to?
100 po.
Ha? Magkano?
100 po ako rin.
100 red daw. Kasi gusto mag-swimming, 100 lang daw ang rent. Tapos yung shoes daw, magkano ang shoes?
100 din po.
100 din yung shoes. Ano to, rent o bibili na?
For rent.
For rent na pala to. Akala ko
Whole day.
bibili na. Ayan, whole day daw. One day, one night. Ayan, mga visitors. Hi sir, how are you?
Fine.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain, welcome to El Nido.
Thank you.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Antonio.
Antonio, well, it's a nice name. And you? Andrea, me Roberto. Italiano.
Italiano, parlo un po' italiano.
Yeah, Italiano pango. Filipino.
Italiano, Filipino.
Italiano, Filipino.
Ito posto.
Yeah, this one sir, only 100.
Yeah, no, it's
For
okay.
it. You don't need? Me also, I don't need.
Grabe ka, sir.
Uy, parang madala ka ma'am. Di kasi ako maligo ma'am. Saan na? Dito na ba? Saan ka napunta? Saan yung sakayan?
Ito po, RR4.
Ito, dito, RR4. Ilang taon ka na dito, ma'am?
Ay, bago po.
Bago ka na dito? Tatrabaho ka lang din dito? Akala ko mo, business
Ay,
ka.
taga dito po talaga kami.
Dito ka talaga. Isa to taga-collect sa ano? Sa environmental. Yan yung isa?
Tsaka Lagoon po.
Lagoon Fee. Ano yung Lagoon Fee? Baka pagdating doon. Pangalan mo, ma'am? Ito na ba? Yan guys, sasakay na kami sa ano? Sa bangka. Ayan, sasakay na kami sa bangka. Oh, madami yun. Ayan. Guys, meet my new friends.
Hi.
You can see this one in the vlog.
Sorry?
I will upload this one in the vlog. Sakay na kami sa ano? Sa pambot.
One eternity later.
Oh, meron siyang life jacket dito sa taas.
RJ, and also, Kuya Room. Also, Kuya Joke at the back. And also, we're not leaving without our Captain Bo. Yes. So, ma'am, sir, so all of you is going to Torrey. So, ma'am, sir, Torrey, we have a park stop or park destination we'll visit for today. So, we have Secret Lagoon, Secret for now, but later on, not secret anymore. Yes. So, 7 Pumato Beach, Big Lagoon, the most beautiful in our destination, and also Simis Island for our lunch, and also the snorkeling area. Okay? So, ma'am, sir, sa every destination, we have a time limit, just only 30 to 40 minutes stay, except on our lunch area. In our lunch area, ma'am, sir, can stay 1 hour or more than 1 hour because I'm preparing your lunch. Okay? So, ma'am, sir, so during our activity, we have a rules and regulation that we need to follow. Okay? So, the first one, who is not a good swimmer? Not good swimmer. Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so ma'am, sir, so during snorkeling or swimming, please wear your life jacket for our safety. Because for now on, ma'am, sir, you are here on the boat to my responsibility. Safety is our priority here. Okay? So the second one, during snorkeling or swimming, please don't step or touch the corals, ma'am, sir. Because in the corals, we have a personal swimming. The stonefish life is also the one of corals. Okay? Okay, so the third one, ma'am, sir, we're not allowed to do the garbage on the ocean during navigation, especially every destination we're not allowed to leave our garbage right there, okay? So, ma'am, sir, other information about this tour we discuss later. So, our first destination for today will be the 7 Pumato Beach. We're gonna travel at least 20 minutes before we arrive to our first destination, ma'am, sir, okay? So, ma'am, sir, that's all. Thank you, salamat. Welcome to Lido. Welcome aboard. Thank you for listening.
Yay!
Let's go! And also, ma'am, sir, if you want to take some picture at the front, you can go. You can do jump shot also.
Jump!
Yes.
gusto pong pumunta dito sa El Nido, Palawan, sa Boracay o kahit saang pasyalan, i-contact nyo po ang napaka-legit attested na agent. Ito po yung Facebook account niya, Mr. Ryan Apaco. Ayan. Legit na yan guys. Matagal na siyang agent.